What if, right now, someone, somewhere, is applying a loan using your identity? Deepfake fraud isn't just science fiction, it's real. It's happening now. Yet businesses still rely on basic ID checks. One careless click is all it takes. Everything, name, phone number, billing details, even photos and videos, is stolen in seconds. Fraudsters don't just steal identities, they manufacture them. AI-generated faces, documents, even voices.
Hello?
All sophisticatedly crafted to bypass verification. Identity checks rely on liveness detection, but AI has learned to cheat the system. Fraudsters use pre-recorded videos, face-altering AI, even 3D masks to pass ID checks. Now, they're in. With a high credit score and perfect credentials, their applications get approved. And just like that, the money is theirs. Soon after, they vanished, leaving nothing but unpaid loans behind. By the time red flags appear, the money is gone. Now, imagine this at scale. Hundreds of fraudsters cashing in, unstoppable, invisible. The truth is, most businesses put their trust in EKYC, where liveness detection looks for natural movements like blinking, nodding, following prompts, to verify a real presence. Then, facial recognition matches a selfie to the ID, confirming identity, or so it seems. Seems secure, right? Not anymore. Deepfakes now mimic eye movement, lip sync, even micro expressions, tricking the system completely. Fraudsters take it further, using pre-recorded deepfake videos, adjusting lighting, and even changing angles to fool detection. Make no mistake, EKYC is essential, but on its own, it's not enough. And this is where businesses go wrong. Traditional verification is failing. Fraudsters don't just fake who they are, they manipulate how they act. If you're only checking identity, you're already behind. Instead, businesses should analyze a person's digital footprint, assuring behavior consistency through all time. This is where device fingerprint comes in. It assigns a unique device ID by tracking a user's device, browser, and hardware settings. But it doesn't stop there. The system continuously analyzes behavioral patterns linked to this ID, determining whether the activity is normal or suspicious. IP profiling detects VPNs, proxies, and unusual login locations, unmasking fraudsters who try to cover their tracks. Fraudulent emails and burner phone numbers can be flagged instantly, stopping fraud before it starts. Fraudsters can fake a face, but they may not fake how a human actually types. Even if their action seems real, one final check remains, cross-referencing their ID with official records. By combining identity-based verification with behavior-based detection, businesses can stop fraud before it happens. Many businesses focus fraud detection on the credit application and approval process. But fraud doesn't wait. It's already inside your system before you see the first red flag. Fraudsters know how to play the system. They pass credit checks, provide fake documents, even show perfect repayment history, just long enough to gain trust. Then, when the time is right, they max out loans, default, and vanish. That's why businesses need a multi-layered fraud strategy, one that doesn't just focus on loan application stage, but monitors throughout the customer lifecycle. Fraud doesn't happen in isolation. By connecting data across events, logins, loan applications, payments, withdrawals, you get the full picture. What looks legit in a single event might reveal red flags when seen as a whole. Without cross-event monitoring, fraudsters slip through the cracks. But with a connected fraud strategy, you stay ahead of the game. Traditional fraud detection fails because it looks at each event in isolation. If you're only analyzing one transaction, one account, or one device at a time, you're missing the bigger picture. At first, the cases seem unrelated, but zoom out, and the hidden connections start to appear. AI doesn't just detect fraud, it exposes fraud rings hiding in your platform. Fraudsters mix real and fake data to create synthetic identities. Like patchwork dolls, AI scans for inconsistencies, mismatched addresses, repetitive data, or unrealistic credit histories to spot the fakes instantly. Every time AI makes a prediction, it learns from its mistakes, improving accuracy over time. In short, AI turns chaos into patterns, patterns into insights, and insights into real-time fraud prevention. Fraud is evolving, so should your defenses. Let TrustDecision keeps you one step ahead.